Well, the training is just freshened up every Monday, every week. That's mind blowing. So if you're new to Save Club or just new to the online business, training and support, in my opinion, is everything. And wearing yellow. Okay, if you wear yellow, oh my, you're going to kick ass. So I thought I'd overdo it. Can you tell I like Hummers? Yeah, I'm a big fan. I even have models all over the place. Look, Hot Wheels and everything else. Oh my, I just love these gas guzzling things, or diesel guzzlers in my case. Anyway, the support, in my opinion, is mind-blowing. And the reason why I think this is because if you join my team, and if you have not joined Save Club, okay. But if you have joined Save Club already, when you join my funnel system, I'm going to invite you to two of the biggest private invite-only teams. That's online. We dominate the leaderboard, and I think it's going to help you out. I don't want you to join Save Club and not get any support whatsoever, because if you're going to be an affiliate and you don't have support and you don't know what to do, you're going to stop being an affiliate. But I think you'll enjoy the savings as a member, but making money and saving money, that is the combo. That's the salt and pepper. That's the dill in the dough. Okay? So what I want you to do is look at my screen real quick. Now, if you've not joined Save Club yet, just go to the official link, joinsaveclub.org. Okay? And if you've already joined and you're stuck and you want to join not one but two badass teams, then look into saveclubfunnels.com. It's $25. This is not crazy money. Don't get out your credit card, max it out, and think you got to do payments on it for a year. The courses, the training, everything that I can offer you, including for the $60 when you become an affiliate, that's just provided by Save Club, I think is mind-blowing, and it's everything you need to be successful. You just have to open up your schedule every day, every week, every month. Whenever I have an extra hour, I just go ahead and post stuff about Save Club. I'll do a video like this. I'll do some emails. I'll do some inboxing. I even have a business card. You see those little red things on your screen right now? I just go to Vistaprint, $22. That includes shipping, tax, everything out the door. I get a big old box of business cards. It's more than enough to spread the word about Save Club on a street level. Because the less you talk about Save Club and just invite people to your own custom link, let the videos do all the training and information about how to use the membership. How much is the membership? $19.97 a month. How much is it to be an affiliate? Well, you got three $20 bills. Do that little $60. Then you got a badass website. You got support. And if you have that $25 and you're stuck, then saveclubfunnels.com. I think you need to do that. Please look into it, okay? I'm going to make this video short. I'm going to end it right now, but I'm going to invite you to both of those links. It's how I've been able to be in the top 10. I think I'm number 7 in the world right now with this awesome opportunity. And it's just by inviting people to click a link and let the video and the website do everything else. It's just, some people call it a funnel system. And you're going to experience it. I want you to look at the joinsaveclub.org. Watch that little video. It's our founder. I want you to know Charles. He's a good guy based out of Las Vegas. And right now, the most powerful thing that I invite people to look into is Save Club Funnels. Just remember with an S, saveclubfunnels.com. Okay? All right, guys, I'm at the 4-minute mark. I have something to go do. That's why this video is so short. Usually my videos are about 10 to 15 minutes, but this one, I want to invite you to both these links, and you guys take your time. If you'd like to join, I'll do everything I can to help you. I'm pretty darn good at this Save Club thing, and I'm going to show you how to make it fun and simple, and you can rock and roll all night. So let's save some money and earn some money. Deal? All right, guys, take care, and get a hold of me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That is my email address, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do about 4 to 5 Save Club videos per day. Okay? All right, take care. I'll see you guys soon.